Tony and I are in the middle of America. We just went on a barn find and picked up a 66 and 71 Corvette. And look at Tony's tricked out trailer. So Tony will go and pick these cars up anywhere in South Texas or anywhere in America. Isn't that right, Tony?
Yep, absolutely.
So reach out to him on his Facebook. Where can they find you?
Postal Transport and Concierge Service, 361-687-4993.
And
Anywhere, anytime.
Anywhere, anytime. Classics, new cars, whatever you need to get transported. Obviously, we pulled these out of a barn. They're covered in dust and mud and everything in between. And again, we're from South Texas, and we're in the middle. What state are we in? Illinois? Or where are we?
We are about to cross into Tennessee for a quick second and then rock back into Arkansas.
We're all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
So if you guys are selling a car, me and Tony will go anywhere to get it. So thank you guys. Give Tony a follow and make sure to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.